friends, this is Shilpi Arora. Welcome to my channel Tech Trends. So today we are going to start with Excel basics. Now this is the Excel screen. This is a blank workbook. So at the top you can see it's a quick access toolbar. You can customize the quick access toolbar. If you click on this open, it will add the option for opening the workbook. Then if you click another option, let's say sort ascending, so it will add this option for sorting. So in this way you can customize your quick access toolbar. Now below this we have the tabs over here, like insert tab, page layout tab, formulas tab. Earlier these tabs were known as menu bars. So if you click on any tab, it will show you the options on the ribbon. So this rectangular area is known as a ribbon. Now if you click on any tab, it will show you the options of that tab on the ribbon. Now if you double click on any tab, the ribbon gets hidden. And again if you double click it, so the ribbon comes back. Another option is on the right hand side, there's an arrow. If you click on that arrow, the ribbon gets hidden. And if you double click on any tab, the ribbon comes back. Now below this we have the name box. In this name box, it will show you the name of the current cell, that is the active cell. So if you click on any cell on the sheet, it is going to show you the address of that cell in the name box. So here you can see it is E4 because the column name is E and the row is 4. So the address of this cell will be E4. On the right hand side there is a formula bar. This formula bar will display the formula which you are writing in the cell. So now these ABCDs are the column names or the column headings. So if you click on any column, it will select that column. Similarly on the left hand side you have the rows 1, 2, 3, 4. If you click on any row, it will select the entire row. Now at the bottom you can see there are sheets, 3 sheets available, sheet 1, 2 and 3. So if you want to add more sheets, you can click on this plus sign and you can add more sheets like this. And you can rename the sheets by right clicking on it and go to rename option and then rename it. Let's rename it to result 1. Now if you want to see the names of all the sheets available in the workbook at one place, you can go to the left hand side and click on an arrow. Right click it. It will show you the names of all the sheets available in the workbook. So here you can see the names of all the sheets. So if you double click on any sheet, it will open that sheet and you can see this sheet is open, sheet 4, and you can edit this sheet. Now on the right hand side at the bottom you have the scroll bars. So if you click this plus, so it will zoom in, and if you go to minus sign, it will zoom out. Then 2 more scroll bars are there, horizontal and vertical. So you can go forward and backward using this horizontal scroll bar. Similarly with the vertical scroll bar, you can go to top and bottom of this sheet. Now at the top right corner you can see 3 options are available for minimizing, for restoring and for closing the window. So you can use these options. Now by default the name of the workbook is book 1. You can change the name of the book 1. You have to go to file and many options are available. So you can go to save and then you have to select a location where you want to save this workbook. Then you have to change the name of book 1 to any name of your choice. Below this you can see the file format, which is Excel workbook. You can change the file format also. By default it is Excel workbook, so the extension is .xlsx. You can change it to PDF or CSV file. So here you can select the format and then you have to click on save. Now the file is saved. Now if you want to enter data into the cell, just click on any cell and start typing. So here I am typing the name. Now if you want to edit this cell, you have to just double click on this cell and you can edit the text. Now let's understand a difference between a workbook and a worksheet. This is a workbook, and workbook is a collection of many sheets. and each sheet is an individual sheet of the workbook. Now if you want to select a range of cells, just drag it with your mouse and you can select a range. And if you want to save the file, you can go to file and save it. Now this is all about Excel basics. I hope you have understood it. Thank you.